Okay, hi, welcome back with another video here by Mr. Heineman. Again, we're going to be reviewing a sixth grade middle school standard, identifying multiples and the LCM. Okay, LCM is going to stand for least common multiple. I'll actually put that up here for you guys. Okay, least common multiple. Okay, so least common multiple. All right, so I always like to say that a multiple is the product of a specific number and any other factor. Okay? So, for example, let's take 5. Okay? So I'm going to take 5. If I want to find a multiple of 5, I'm going to take 5 and I'm going to multiply it by any other factor. And remember, factors only can be whole numbers. Okay? So 5 times 3. 5 times 3 gives me 15. 15 is a factor of 5. Okay. Now it also is a factor of did I say factor? This is my multiple. So 15 is a multiple of 5. Now it's also a multiple of 3, but in this case we were identifying our specific number as 5. Okay. So 15 is a multiple of 5. Okay. So what if I said I want to list multiples of 5? I want to list multiples of 5. All right, so here we go. Usually going to do a colon. Now, you probably want to go back and think back to like first grade when your teacher said, okay, class, today we're going to count by 5s. Well, that's all we have to do to identify the multiples of any number. We just have to count by that number. So in this case, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. And I'm going to do dot, dot, dot at the end there because that dot, dot, dot lets me know that that goes on forever. Okay. Whenever we list multiples of a number, the multiples go on forever. Okay. They're going to go on to infinity. All right. So now I'm going to take a little moment and I'm going to let you have a chance to pause. And what I would like for you to do is to go ahead and list out the first 7 factors of 8. Okay, so take a moment, hit pause, and go ahead and list out those first 7 factors of 8. Now is when you can hit pause, because I'm going to start faster than you can probably list all of them. So you want to press pause right now. Okay, good. We're back. You press pause. You hopefully you listed out all the multiples of 8. Multiples of 8. 8. 16. 24. 32. 40. 48. 56. And I'm going to dot, dot, dot. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, I said 7. 7 multiples. So there are our first 7 multiples of 8. Make that one a little bit bold for you. So now you can go ahead and check your answers. Maybe you went further than that, and if you did, that's great. Just make sure that you're counting by 8s every time, or that if you have a number, okay. So let's say I wanted to check. Let's say I want to check one of these. Let's say I want. Oh, you know what? 32. Maybe that's not a factor. Maybe I missed it. Well, you can always go ahead and divide it out. Okay, 32 divided by 8. Okay, so 2 divided by 8, I go ahead and divide that out. 8 goes into 32. Let's see. 8, 16, 24. 24 plus 8. Okay, that gives me 32. So 30. So I go ahead and check that. So that's one way you can go ahead and do that. You can check that. Okay. That especially gets good after you get past like that 10, 11, 12 multiple. Like let's say you were going all the way to the 15th or the 20th multiple and you aren't sure if your counting was exactly right. You can go ahead and you can divide, do the long division way, figure that out. Okay. All right, good. All right, so we're going to erase that.